A Freecash new user bonus is only available to eligible first-time accounts, so how you create your account matters from the very beginning. By the end of this, you'll know how to claim a new user bonus correctly, what can prevent it from appearing, and how to avoid common mistakes. Start by creating a brand new Freecash account. If you've previously registered with the same information or already own another account, you may not qualify for new user promotions. Complete your registration using accurate account details. Using consistent information from the beginning makes account verification and future withdrawals much smoother. If you're signing up through a referral link or promotional campaign, make sure you open the registration page through that link before creating your account. Changing links after your account is already created usually won't attach a referral or promotional offer retroactively. After registration, check your account dashboard for any welcome tasks or bonus requirements. Some promotions require additional actions before the reward is unlocked. Read every instruction carefully instead of assuming the bonus is awarded automatically. If a promotion requires completing an offer, follow the instructions exactly. Install apps through the provided tracking link, use the required device, and complete the requested milestones in the correct order. Skipping steps can prevent the promotion from being credited. Avoid creating multiple accounts to try claiming another welcome bonus. Freecash expects one account per user, and duplicate accounts can lead to account reviews or other restrictions. You should also avoid using VPNs or location-changing services while creating your account or completing bonus requirements. These tools can interfere with location verification and advertiser tracking. If you complete every required step but don't receive the expected bonus, review your account notifications first. Then contact Freecash support through the official support channel. Include your account email, explain which promotion you joined, describe the steps you completed, and attach screenshots if you have them. Providing complete information in your first message gives support a better chance to investigate the issue quickly. Once your account is active, focus on completing offers according to their instructions instead of rushing through as many as possible. Correctly completed offers are much more valuable than unfinished ones that never track. To sum it up, create only one new account, register through the correct referral or promotion link, complete every required task exactly as instructed, and contact support if the bonus doesn't appear after you've met the requirements. Next, check your dashboard immediately after signing up so you know exactly what actions, if any, are required to unlock your welcome promotion. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Freecash tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and earning tips.